Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UPS how to track without tracking number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can track a UPS package without a tracking number, but your options are limited. First, it's simply head over and open up your web browser, then on the search bar simply type in ups.com, and then on the home screen select UPS My Choice. Then once there, any package sent to your registered address will automatically appear even if you don't have the tracking number. Then you can see the shipment progress, estimated delivery date, and make changes. Then you can also use your reference number for tracking. Give the package a reference number like an order number or phone number. You can use it by simply heading over to the UPS tracking by reference, then choose track by reference number, then enter the number, shipping date range, and destination country and postal code. The UPS will find the shipment linked to the reference. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.